In stacking up today, trader Todd Bubba Horwitz joins me now, and he says he is ready to sell.
I'm coming out of hibernation. The bears are back. Good
You've
morning.
always been a big bear, and now is your time.
I'm only a big bear up here.
I know, you right away, but you do feel like the stock market's gone too far too fast, right?
Yeah, I think we've seen a rally. Listen, it's all great that the rally's here, and obviously investors feel very good about it, but again, you have to remember one thing, okay? We've gone up an extraordinary amount into a market that, although we have a new president and the promises are good and the banks are doing well, but overall we still have all the old problems that we haven't gotten rid of yet, and the biggest problem still is debt. And if we're going to see a rate hike in December, the debt is going to get higher just sheer by the interest rate. So that's a problem that needs to be cured. So all the good news we're hearing and all the things about regulations and everything else that might change, at the end of the day, we still have an enormous amount of debt that needs to be dealt with.
Now, what are some of the stocks that you would be shorting or selling?
Well, I think Facebook is one I've been selling. I think it's, I love the company. I think they're going to be the first $1 trillion company, but I think they've got a pretty big sell-off coming, and I wouldn't be surprised to see Facebook down around the 100 level. I think that Apple's pretty much had it, but I think Apple's going to go under 100 for a little while. Amazon and Google have been hit pretty hard already, but remember, a $700 stock goes down $70. It's not like it's a lot, it's only 10%, just like a normal stock. So I'm really looking to sell the oil stocks. Now, I think they've gotten way ahead of themselves. ConocoPhillips, Halliburton, all those have really overrun the mark here based on what might happen in OPEC, and I think that's a fallacy.
Then I want to take a look at some names that are coming out today with earnings information. Gap, Best Buy, Walmart. What do you think?
Well, Gap, I think, is they're in a little bit of trouble, but they may work okay. I think I do have an opinion certainly in Best Buy. I think I'm going to be a seller of Best Buy. I think that we're way up at the upper levels, and Best Buy they've done a great job trying to maneuver around this market. But at the end of the day, I think they're going to have trouble surviving against Amazon and the likes of them. Walmart, you saw Target yesterday exploded higher, about 10%. So I have to assume Walmart will probably be in the same ballpark. I'm too leery about the Walmart situation, but out of the bunch, I would say I'd be looking to sell Gap after the report. I'm shooting Best Buy.
Best Buy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.